Good morning, student. We are going to start a new chapter named Word 2016 on page number 32. We use the software Paint to draw and paint on the computer. In the same way, we use Word to write text in the computer. You already know how to write in notebook. Now, learn to make notes in a computer. In computer, we type using keyboard rather than writing on paper. We can type notes as well as questions and answer in MS Word. We can prepare a list of phone numbers of our friends. We can also type letters and messages. Each of these are called documents. Now, what is MS Word? MS Word is an application software that helps us to type, edit and format the text. A company called Microsoft has made the program MS Word. That is why it is called Microsoft Word or MS Word. Microsoft Word is a part of Office, which is a group of application software that generally required in Office. Now, how starting off MS Words. How to steps to open Word 2016. Click on Start button. Type Word 2016. Click on Word 2016. Click blank document. Now children, this is the window of MS Word. Here document 1 is called title bar. Title bar is placed at the top of Word 2016 window. It displays the document name followed by the program name. At the right side of the title bar, we have minimize, restore down or maximize and close button. On the left side of title bar, we have quick access toolbar. It contains a buttons which is most frequently used command. By default, we have here save, undo or redo appear on a quick access toolbar. We can add more commands to quick access toolbar as per our need. The blinking line is called cursor. At the bottom of the Word document, here we can see a status bar. Here we can see the information about the current document, like page number is there, the number of words written in the document. Okay, so this is called a status bar. Right, here we can see a minus. Okay, so this is called zoom slider. So if it will decrease, it will reduce the size, and if I go to the plus, it will increase the size. So this is called the zoom slider, which working area. It is a large area. This area is called working area, where we can type, edit and format the text. Now next is the scroll bar. There are two types of scroll bar, vertical scroll bar and horizontal. So this is a vertical scroll bar. So vertical scroll bar is help us to move the page up and down. Okay, so this is a vertical scroll bar. If I want to move right and left, so I will use horizontal scroll bar. So here we can see here right side and left side. So this is a horizontal scroll bar. Next is horizontal ruler. Horizontal ruler is placed at the top of the document. It measures the width of the document. Okay, so if I click on it, horizontal, it will change the text according to the width of the document page. So this is a horizontal ruler. And here we have vertical ruler. So vertical ruler will measure the height of the working area, and it is used to set top and bottom margin. So this is a ruler. Next is we have tabs. So we have various tabs like file tab, home tab, insert tab, design tab. So here these tabs, whenever you click on any particular tab, the ribbon of particular tab is open. So here I have clicked home tab, so your home ribbon is open. If I click insert tab, so insert ribbon. So this whole box is called ribbon. Now here minimize. Now here use of minimize button. When you click on minimize button, the word window comes down to the taskbar. Again, when you click on it, then it will seen on full screen. In the same way, this cross button is called close button. If you click on it, it will close this application. In between minimize and close, we have restore down button. When we click on restore, it will just change the size of the Word document. If you want to see in full screen, again click on the maximize button. Okay, so children, we are going to see the labeling of component of Microsoft Word. So here document 1 is called title bar. Below title bar we have ribbon. Then the blinking line, this is called cursor. Below it is called status bar. Below the Word document it is called status bar. Right side of status bar we have zoom slider. Right side of title bar we have 3 buttons: minimize, maximize and close. So this is all about the component of Microsoft Word. Now these are the question answers which you need to write in your computer notebook. Okay, we will continue the session of Word in the next class. See you. Take care. Bye.